If you're looking for the best 360 camera, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular Insta360 One X360 action camera, 5.7K video and 8MP photos. The Insta360 One X is the camera that does everything well. The specs on the One X read like a 360 camera wish list. 5.7K resolution, removable battery, on-camera display, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, an app with advanced editing methods, and more. It's as if Insta360 looked at everything people wanted in a 360 camera and stuffed it all into the One X. Even better, it performs as well as you'd hope looking at the features list. The camera isn't waterproof, but 2 waterproof cases are available, along with numerous other accessories. Number 2. Samsung Gear 360 27 Edition Real 360-degree 4K VR Camera. The second generation Gear 360 sports a new design that makes the camera smaller and easier to hold, but remains just as intuitive to use, and takes great pictures too. The Gear 360 live streams to Facebook and YouTube too. Still, we have some reservations. Android users will have to own a Samsung smartphone to use the camera, and while it works with iPhones, not all of the Gear 360's features are supported. If you're looking for something more universal, the LG 360 Cam supports all phones and costs $40 less, but has a lower resolution camera. Number 3. GoPro Max CHD-HZ 201RW 16.6MP Hero and 360 footage. The GoPro Max looks like a 360-degree action cam for enthusiasts, but actually anyone could use this camera. The magic of 360 and the GoPro Max is that you can hit record and forget about framing, then edit your footage in the app. We've put this ahead of our previous favorite, the Insta360 One X's, because of its better quality capture and microphones, and the way it can double up as a vlogging cam and an action cam too, though not in 4K. Regular 4K single camera capture could have been better still, and the app experience could use some work, but given everything the Max can do, it's still a sensational step towards what could genuinely be the future of filmmaking. Number 4. Ryko Theta V 4K 360 spherical camera. Though it lacks some of the advanced features of the Insta360 One X like robust image stabilization, a removable battery and a 5.7K video, the Ryko Theta V is a solid alternative if our main pick is sold out. The Theta V's simple design belies the complexity within, offering high-quality images and videos that look more natural and immersive than those taken by most other cameras. Though its resolution isn't as high as that of some others, the quality of its lenses and image sensors let it take excellent photos and videos. Number 5. Rilo 5.8K 360 video camera, iPhone and Android, breakthrough stabilization. Slow and compact, the Rilo 360's small GoPro-like profile makes it the best 360 camera for action sports, as its low profile is ideal for attaching to a helmet, bike or any other actiony activity. What makes it even better is its motion stabilization, which keeps the horizon level no matter how bumpy the ride. However, if you're going to get it wet, you'll want to get a case, as this camera lacks any sort of waterproofing. The Adventure case is a fully enclosed water housing used to block out water, moisture, dirt, and dust, and is water resistant up to 10 feet or roughly 3 meters. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.